Okay, opening up a 151 booster pack. Let's go. Magnemite, Caterpie, Eevee, Grimer, Hunterina, Eradicate, Erica's Invitation, Horsey, Rhydon, and Dodrio. Okay, yep.